Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming connectivity and knowing which Google account you want to change. Once connected, open Settings and go straight to Accounts or Users and Accounts. This is where Android centralizes sign-ins. If you're on iPhone, open Settings, then tap Mail, Contacts, Calendars, or Passwords and Accounts for older iOS. Newer versions use the Google app. Make sure you have passwords ready. You'll be prompted to re-authenticate when adding a new Google account. Now you add or remove the account you want to change. Tap Add Account, choose Google, then enter the new email and password. Follow two-step verification if enabled. Once added, return to Accounts and select the old account to remove it. Tap Remove Account and confirm. This clears local data like contacts unless synced. Make sure to adjust the sync toggles for contacts, calendar, and drive so only the items you want stay on the phone. Finish by confirming the change in apps. Open Play Store and check the profile icon shows your new account. Once done, reboot the phone to refresh background services and permissions. If an app still shows the old account, clear its cache or sign out, then sign back in. If sign-in fails, make sure your password is correct, verify two-step authentication methods, and confirm internet access. These fixes resolve most problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.